Hello everybody. In this video we'll talk about the function scanf, which is used to take data from the user. In this program we will ask the user to enter some values. Let's proceed. We have the function int main. We will declare integers, let's say ABC. We'll call the function printf, initiate some kind of dialog, enter values to multiplication, let's say. And now the function scanf integers, and now we'll use ampersand address. Now with ampersand we go to address of the operators, B, and now multiplication A times B, printf, result is, which will be integer, see. We will run now. Some kind of mistake over here, which is printf, not print. Enter value for the multiplication, let's say 5, 6, and the result it is 30. Thank you for watching. See you.